So now let's see how we can work around with the gamma effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu and then I'm going to go around and click on import right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I can simply go around and let's say, for example, choose a particular image right here and then draw out that particular image right here just like this as well. So now in order to go ahead and apply the gamma effect, you need to go around onto the effects menu, and then what you can do is you can go around over here onto adjust, and over here you can see that gamma is an option. So once you go around onto the gamma option right here, you can simply go around and change around the gamma, which affects out the brightness, as you can see, of this particular image right here. You can increase this out or decrease this out as you want right here. And that is what gamma does. It increases out the overall image brightness right here. So let me just go around over here onto flower just like this as well. And then what you can do is you can go around onto effects, onto adjust right here, and then go around onto gamma again. Then you get the gamma right here, which allows you to add in brightness to the image right here, just like this. And it increases out the blacks as well, as you can see when you're working around with gamma correction. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.